In this video, we are still dividing whole numbers using the drag and drop method or the box method. Notice that we have the division problem written in two different ways, but they are both the same. In our standard way, the dividend is in the inside, but here we have it on the outside. Our divisor is on the outside for here, but then over there, it's on the inside or in between our two mathematical symbols. Also, our quotient on this one, it would go at the top, but here it would go to the side. So with both of these, there's two different ways for us to kind of view it, but just know where everything goes. Understanding how to set up our problem and seeing it in different formats is also important. So I'm going to show you the drag and drop method here, which means we break our number apart by place value. So I have 2 for 200, 1 for the 110, and then 6 for our ones. The drag and drop uses the method of subtraction. So I am subtracting my divisor, which is 12. When I subtract my 12, I'm looking and starting on the right, and I'm saying, can I subtract 2 minus 12? The answer is no, I cannot do this because 2 is less than 12. If you have $2 and you owe me 12, you don't have enough, so you can't do that. Because I can't do that, a 0 goes over to the top, and I drag my 2 over to the next place value. Now, I need to subtract 12. And I ask myself, if I have 21, can I take away 12? The answer is yes, because 12 is less than 21. Because 12 is less than 21, I can subtract. I start over on the right side and ask, 1 minus 2. Can I do this? No, because 1 is less than 2. I need to regroup. I take away 1 here and I add 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, can I take away 12? 9 minus 12. If you have 9, you cannot give away 12 because you do not have enough. So you can't do that. How many times did you subtract? You subtracted 1 time. You are left with 9, and you need to drag it over and drop it off in the next place value. You are going to subtract 12 again. Remember, you're always subtracting the number on the outside. That's why it's important to know how to set up the problem, because if they give it to you like this and you're trying to subtract 216 away from 12, you're already going to be lost. So understanding when you see it, which number goes on the outside. Subtract 12. Can we subtract 96 minus 12? Yes, if you have 96, you can take away 12. You start on the right. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. Can you subtract 12 again? Yes. 84 is greater than or bigger than or larger than 12. So you can subtract and you start on the right. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. Guess what? We're subtracting 12 again. Can we do this? Yes. 72 is larger than 12. We start on the right side. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 7 minus 1 is 6. Can we subtract 12 again? Yes, we can, because 6 is greater than 12. You start on the right side. 0 minus 2, we cannot do this because 0 minus 2, 2 is greater than 0. We need to regroup. We take away 1, giving us 5, and regroup 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 1 is 4. Can we subtract 12 here? Yes, we can. 48 minus 12. 48 is bigger than 12. We start on the right side. 8 minus 2. Can we do this? Yes, because 8 is bigger than 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Can we subtract 12 again? Yes, we can subtract 12 because 36 is bigger than 12. We start on the right side. 6 minus 2, can we do that? Yes, because 6 is greater than 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Can we subtract 12 again? Yes, because 24 is greater than 12. We start on the right side. 4 minus 2. Yes, we can do that because 4 is greater than 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Can we subtract 12 again? Yes, we have 12. We can subtract 12. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. We have nothing left, and we need to count how many times we have subtracted in total. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In total, we have subtracted 8 times in this place value. So our answer, or our quotient, is 18. And we can check our work by using inverse operation and multiplying 18 times 12. You can use box method to do this. And if your answer is 216, when you multiply, then that means you did this correctly.